Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I'm out here in front of our shop. We've got some of these pots that have got a lot of flowers in them. They look really good right now. I want to talk about a little bit of maintenance that you got to stay on top of though. So we've got these daisies that are in here, and daisies and a lot of other plants that you're going to plant in the summertime. They require a little bit of maintenance, and what I mean by maintenance is deadheading. So I'm going to show you a close-up look here, and you can see in this pot we've got some really beautiful blooms. We've also got some dead blooms. I'm going to show you this other pot. You can see I just deadheaded it, and look, now you don't have the unsightly dead blooms filling in. This serves a couple of purposes. Number one, it gets the ugly flowers out of there, but number two, it also prevents the plant from trying to send any more energy or nutrients or anything like that to these dead flower heads. It also is going to promote more blooms. So as the flower loses blooms, it starts getting ready and setting seeds and getting ready to do more blooms. So by deadheading, you're actually going to promote the plant to grow more flowers. And if you can stay on top of this process, you can actually extend the time that the plant will bloom throughout the whole year. So anyway, just do it with a pair of simple hand pruners. All you got to do is just snip right below the main flower. I'll show you that here in a second, and move on about your business. If you got any questions, just let us know. Look forward to hearing from you. Y'all have a good day.